This is TripleChip's Unbox the Box, where today I'm going to be showing you a product I picked up at the Home Depot. It goes for $10.11. It is the Squeak-Proof door hinges. It's the 3-inch ones. They're a whisper-required door hinge. They're guaranteed for 10 years and tested for over 1 million open and closed operations. So these will make no noise at all. I'll just show you what you get in the box here. They're not that much more expensive than a regular door hinge, but you get all your screws in there. And these pins should come right out. So if you tune into my TripleChip Adventures vlog, I'm doing a home renovation series on there. I'll be installing them on this bathroom door, which I currently don't have on. I'll show you how to put them on there. So I'll leave a link at the end of this video. So thanks for watching. So just check out if you want to see the installation on these. So you just, once again, those are at Home Depot. I think that's the only place I know that carries these. So these are just going to be going on right up in there. Or no, this way actually. We'll have them on the door when you check out the other video. So stay tuned for that one. Have a great day, evening, whatever it is. Catch you in the next one.